How to view spending trends in Mint. First of all, open the Mint app or visit the Mint website and log into your account using your username and password. Once you are inside the dashboard, click on the Trends tab located at the left sidebar of the screen. This section breaks down your expenses by category, showing you exactly where your money is going each month. You can adjust the time frame to view your spending over weeks, months, or even a year to get a clearer picture of your habits. Next, look at the color-coded charts that shows your expenses visually. These charts make it easier to spot any unusual spikes or dips in spending. For example, if your dining out expenses suddenly increase, Mint highlights that so you can stay on top of your budget. You can also click on specific categories to get more detailed information about the transaction contributing to that spending. This helps you understand exactly what caused the changes in your budget and decide where you might want to cut back. Additionally, Mint allows you to compare your current spending with previous periods. This comparison helps you track your progress if you are trying to save money or reduce expenses in certain areas. And that's it. Now you know how to view spending trends in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.